Hey, how you doing? This is Zach Lappin. And I was seeing Testament last night, and I stood outside smoking my cigarettes, and I got to hear their sound check. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Testament, yeah. I think they're better than Metallica. That's what I think. They put out more better albums than Metallica. Well, you take care. Talk to you when I talk to you, not before then, because that would be utterly ridiculous. Oh, yeah, utterly ridiculous.